How to change Google Docs background image. So first is go to Insert, which is located on the upper left corner of your screen, and then go to Watermark. Now you will see this section here. So make sure that you're under Image, and then click this portion, Select Image. So you can click Browse, or you can drag the file here. Now select the image that you want to use as your background, and then click Open. So once the image has been uploaded, you can change the size of your image by clicking this drop-down arrow button beside Scale, or you can manually do it yourself. When using Scale, click this drop-down arrow button and select from any of these options. But if you want to do it manually, click the image, and then these buttons here will appear. So you can drag those buttons and fit the image to the page. So you are also provided the option to fade this image by ticking this box beside faded. So when you click more image options, you are provided with more tools to customize your background image. So say for example, under adjustments, you can change the opacity by dragging this slider button to your left or right. Same with brightness and contrast. So once you're done with this section, click this close button and then click done. And so that is how you change Google Docs background image. Thank you and have a great day.